In this video, I'll show you how to re-verify your ID in Wise after expiry. Step 1. Check Wise notifications. Look out for any email or app notification from Wise requesting updated ID due to expiry or compliance. Step 2. Prepare a valid ID. Get a valid government-issued photo ID ready, such as your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Step 3. Access verification section. Log into your Wise account and go to Identity Verification or Account Settings to find re-verification options. Step 4. Upload your new ID document. Follow instructions to upload high-quality scans of your photos of your new ID, including front and back if required. Step 5. Complete any additional verification. You may need to take a selfie holding the ID or provide further info per Wise's prompts. Step 6. Submit and wait for approval. Submit your documents and wait for Wise to review and approve your new ID for continued account use. Tips for smooth re-verification. Use clear, unexpired IDs with legible details. Follow all instructions carefully to avoid any delays. Contact Wise support if you face issues or have lost your ID. And that's how you re-verify your Wise account after your ID has expired. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.